Welcome back to Simple Digital Product Tools 101. I'm Keela and this is episode 2. In the last video, we set up ChatGPT. Now comes the fun part, unlocking ChatGPT's creative side and using it to figure out what digital product you should create. The goal here isn't just to come up with any idea. It's to find something that fits you, your interests, your experience, and your audience. So what's the biggest mistake people make when trying to find their digital product niche? They ask ChatGPT vague questions like, help me brainstorm a digital product. Okay, but based on what? And for who? You don't need a fancy niche. You just need a starting point that feels aligned and easy to create around. Today, I'm giving you 3 specific prompts you can copy and paste to go from I have no idea to I know exactly what I'm creating. And these prompts are in the description, so you can use them right after this video. Now let's jump in. Now let's start with me showing you what not to do. This is an example of a bad prompt. Give me digital product ideas. Look at this response. It's giving me a list of formats. We have templates, design and creative assets, educational and info products, business and productivity tools. But that doesn't tell me what to create or who to create it for. This is where most people give up. Now let me show you what happens when you ask the right questions with the right context. The secret, you need to give ChatGPT information about you, your experience, your interests, and who you want to help. Then it can give you specific ideas instead of generic lists. Here's prompt 1. Prompt 1 is about niche discovery. You can copy this from the description. The key is filling in your information, your experience and knowledge, your passions and interests, and the pain points your target audience struggles with. Let me show you an example. I want to create a digital product, but I'm not sure what niche to focus on. I have experience in project management and organizing teams. I'm passionate about helping busy moms simplify their lives. My target audience struggles with feeling overwhelmed and not having systems. Can you suggest 5 specific niches I could serve with a digital product? Now look at what it's giving me. Instead of just giving me different types of digital products I could create, it's saying time and schedule systems for working moms, family task and chore systems, home organization for small houses, morning and evening routine simplification, project style life planning for moms. Now these are specific and these are actionable. And it goes on to say, if you want, I can help you pick one and shape it into a clear promise, a product outline, and your product messaging. From prompt 1, let's say I'm drawn to niche number 2, family task and chore systems. An example product would be a family command center kit with a step-by-step setup and printable boards. Let's enter the prompt. Based on niche number 2, or you can say what the niche was, what are 5 specific digital product ideas I could create? For each idea, tell me what problem it solves, who would buy it, be specific about their situation, and what format it should be. What objections they might have about buying it and why they choose this over free information online. Let's see what product ideas it generates. Now look at this. It's not just saying the family task delegation starter kit. It's telling me the problem it solves, who would buy it, the format, the likely objections they may have, and why they choose this over free information online. Each one is specific. Each one solves a clear problem. This is what you need to move forward. It says, if you tell me which of these you feel most excited about, I'll help you clarify the transformation or promise, define the product contents, name it, write the value messaging, outline your offer positioning. But before you start creating it, You need to validate it to ensure that people are actually interested. That's where prompt 3 comes in. Let's say I love idea number 2, the mental load offload workbook. This is for moms carrying all the decision making. Who would buy it? Moms who feel guilty asking for help. It gives you the format of guided workbook and reflection prompts. The objections might be, I don't have time to sit and work on something. My partner won't be open to changing how we do things. It's saying they would choose this because it guides them through the internal and practical shift, something free tips rarely address. So let's move into prompt number 3. This is the validation prompt. This helps you shape your idea around a real audience, not just a random download. So I put something like, I'm considering number 2. How can I test that working moms actually pay for this before I spend time creating it? Give me 3 to 5 low-effort validation methods I can try. Now, ChatGPT is helping me think like a marketer, not just a creator. It's suggesting ways to test, like to pre-sell a simple beta version, and it's giving you the steps that you could take to pre-test it and how to measure the responses. It's telling you can run a 3 to 5 day mental load reset mini workshop. You can offer mini one-on-one sessions, or you can do poll and DM follow-ups on social media. You can also do those in different communities. And it's giving you some reminders about not needing a big audience, but just needing some evidence. Now, this is gold. You're not just brainstorming anymore. You're building a strategy. This is the part a lot of creators skip, and it's why they create products that don't sell. Validation is everything. If you want the complete system for validating, creating, and launching your digital product, the digital product launch formula free training is linked below. It will save you months of guessing. Before we wrap up, I'd like to give you 5 quick tips to get even better results from ChatGPT. First, start with the prompts I gave you. They work because they give ChatGPT context. You insert your experience and knowledge, your passions and interests, and the pain points your audience struggles with. Second, treat it like a conversation. If the first answer isn't quite right, ask ChatGPT to adjust it. Say, can you make this more specific for moms with toddlers? It will refine the answer. Third, use all the prompts together. This is the process. You have niche discovery, product ideas, followed by validation. That's your roadmap. Fourth, save your chats. Since I chose the family task and chore system niche, I would name it Digital Product Ideas, Family Task, and Chore Systems. ChatGPT automatically names your chats. So here it named it Digital Product Niches for Moms. If you wanted to rename it, that is where you would go. It's important to rename your chats so that if you want to go back to the chat, it's easy to locate it. And fifth, don't overthink it. You're not looking for the perfect niche. You're looking for a specific problem you can solve for a specific person. You can always adjust as you learn what works. Make sure to review the responses as ChatGPT can make mistakes. So what's next? You just use ChatGPT to brainstorm your niche, product ideas, and even validate who it's for. Here's your homework before the next video. Copy all 3 prompts from the description, open ChatGPT and work through prompts 1 and 2, find your niche and brainstorm 3 to 5 product ideas. Pick your favorite idea and run it through prompt number 3. Validate it and refine it. Write down your final product idea in 1 sentence. I'm creating, insert product name for, insert the specific person who struggles with, insert the specific problem. That sentence is your foundation. It's often what we call our value proposition statement. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone you know will help, and subscribe so you don't miss part 3. We'll be jumping into Canva to start creating your digital product for free. But before you go, grab the Digital Product Launch Formula free training, because once you have your product idea, you need a launch strategy. Digital Product Launch Formula teaches you how to validate, create, and launch your digital product the right way, so you're not guessing. Now that you know what you're creating, let's learn how to design it. See you in episode 3.